I am preparing for spring. How am I preparing for spring? I am getting my seeds ready. Most seeds are coming from what we planted last year, and I harvested seeds from those fruits and vegetables, as well as I purchased, as you saw in a previous video, seeds from Annie's. But the biggest thing that I am getting ready and preparing for is my fertilizer. My fertilizer consists of shrimp shells. It is something that I have used periodically. I noticed a big difference in my watermelons towards the end of the year once I started using my shrimp shell fertilizer. I've saved all the shrimp shells from me having shrimp this last year, and let's just go through this process of showing you exactly what I am doing and how it's coming along. Y'all know I'm choosing joy. So come on, let's get into it. What's in here? Oh, it's discarded shrimp shells. These will go into my food processor to break them down, and they will be ready for the garden come spring. Don't worry about the fact that it's dirty. It has been retired, and its sole duty is now crushing up garden fertilizer. It had its good days of making margaritas a long time ago. Added bonus fish head from the other day. Look at that. I know people are going to wonder, why would I do this when I could just go to the store and buy fertilizer? Well, my main purpose for this, making my fertilizers and growing my garden the way that I do, is because if everything goes to heck in a handbasket, I don't want to be dependent on buying store fertilizer, store items. I want to learn how to grow my garden using everything that I have at my fingertips. Thanks for watching. Tell others about this channel. Why? Because we're not only choosing joy, we're spreading joy as well. Till next time, bye-bye.